Hi Sam. I hope you're doing well today.
Hi Alex. I'm excited for today's lesson. What word are we learning?
Today, we're exploring the word.
Schlimm.
It means bad or serious in English.
Oh, interesting. Is
schlimm,
used a lot in everyday conversation.
Yes, it's quite common. However, be careful. It can be confused with,
Schlimmer.
which means worse. So, make sure to use them in the right context.
Can you tell me if
schlimm,
is a noun or a verb?
Good question.
Schlimm.
Is actually an adjective. It doesn't have a plural form like nouns, but we can use it in different contexts. In the present tense, you might say,
Es ist schlimm.
which means it is bad.
And how would you say it in the past?
In the past, you can say,
Es war schlimm.
meaning it was bad. For the perfect tense, you'd say,
Es ist schlimm gewesen.
which translates to, it has been bad.
That sounds straightforward.
The word
Schlimm.
comes from Old High German,
Slim.
meaning bad. Over time, its meaning evolved but has generally remained similar.
That's fascinating. I love learning how words change over time.
It is interesting. Many words in German have roots in older languages like Latin or Old High German, reflecting the rich history of the language.
Can we break down the word
schlimm,
a bit more?
Absolutely.
Schlimm.
Itself isn't a compound word, so we can't break it down further into prefix, root, or suffix. But you can think of it as an essential piece of language like a Lego block that stands alone.
Got it. It's a strong block.
Now, let's talk about similar words. Words that share the same prefix or root can be really useful. For example, you have,
Schlimmer.
which means worse, and,
Schlimmste.
meaning worst. Then there's,
Schlimmheit.
which means badness.
So, those words are all connected.
Exactly. Also, you can look at phrases like,
Schlimm genug.
meaning bad enough, or,
Schlimmster Fall.
which means worst case.
I see how they relate.
Let's practice using,
Schlimm.
in real-life situations. Imagine you're at work and something didn't go well. You might say,
Es war ein schlimmer Fehler.
which means it was a bad mistake.
So I could say,
es war ein schlimmer Fehler.
Perfect. Now, how about at the doctor's office? You could say,
Ich fühle mich schlecht. Es ist schlimm.
Meaning I feel bad, it is serious.
That's a bit harder, but let me try.
Ich fühle mich schlimm.
Not quite, remember to say.
Ich fühle mich schlecht.
You're doing well, just a little tweak needed. Now, let's imagine you're talking to a friend about a bad movie. You can say,
Der Film war schlimm.
which means the movie was bad.
Okay, so I could say,
Der Film war schlimm.
Yes. You're getting it.
is there anything to remember about the gender of?
Schlimm.
Since
Schlimm.
is an adjective, it doesn't have a gender like nouns do. But remember that adjectives can change depending on the noun they describe.
That makes sense.
It's also important to know that
Schlimm.
is generally informal. You might hear it in everyday conversations. Some common phrases include,
Das ist schlimm. Was für ein schlimmer Tag.
and
Es ist schlimm, dass.
What about similar words?
watch out for,
Schlecht.
which means bad too, but can be used in different contexts. Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Schlimm.
mean in English?
It means bad or serious.
Correct. What's the past tense of
Schlimm.
Es war schlimm.
right again? What's the superlative form?
Schlimmste.
Yes. How about a sentence using
Schlimm.
at the doctor's office?
Ich fühle mich schlecht. Es ist schlimm.
Perfect. Last question, what's a word that has a similar meaning to
Schlimm.
Schlecht.
exactly? Great job, Sam. To wrap up, today we learned about
Schlimm.
its meanings, grammar, and how to use it in context.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed this lesson and learned a lot.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. See you next time.